lose, win, lose, lose, win, win, lose,
Yeah,
win, lose.
I started recording. I can share you that after this class now.
Okay.
Okay. So win-win is the best situation, is the only solution you should always focus. In win-win, you can solve the problems like identifying it and clarifying it and solving it properly. Then you can have
Okay.
collaboration along the point. You can have collaboration with the persons and solve it. In also you can also have confronting. You go with head on. You try to
Okay.
fight, but to solve the problem. You see, sometimes even fighting is better. Instead of speaking in the back, I prefer that you go and fight with the person. What happen? You will slap him, he will slap you, but at the end of the day, you will have resolved the conflict. Okay?
Conflict, yes.
What do you
Yeah.
say?
I prefer, yeah, sure, make it as a what a positive, constructive argument, not
Yeah.
going to fight and
No, no, no. That is the best thing, na, if you can so collaborate or solve the problem. But if you cannot collaborate and solve the problem, then even you have to fight. It's better than just speaking from the backside, from my point of view. Okay,
correct, yeah.
okay. Then we have this collaboration, confronting, problem solving. All these are win-win situation. Okay. Then we have lose-lose situation, avoiding or running from the problem or withdrawal of both parties of both parties. This is important. Withdraw of both parties is also this is the worst situation. Then
Withdraw, right?
yeah, Anand, let's say you are stronger, I'm weaker. You will force. This is a genuine normal thing. Like you are my boss. You will force your decision on me. Yes or no?
Yeah,
This is called forcing.
correct.
If I'm your boss, you will accommodate me. You will bear what I am saying.
Okay. So accommodate means that means
You are losing, no? You are losing. Yeah.
okay.
I'm bearing you. Then we have compromise. Anand, compromise is very important technique. It is in the win-win as well it is in the lose-lose. Okay. You give
Yeah.
something of yourself. Like there
Yeah.
was a point you were saying this, I was saying this. Both of us
Sacrifice.
step back. Both of us step
Correct.
back. This is compromise. Then we have
Okay.
smoothing. Smoothing is a temporary solution. We basically don't solve the problem. We say that okay, right now focus on the good solution and let's postpone it. We have smoothing, let's postpone it to the future. Okay, clear?
Okay. So smoothing is a
आप खाओ बेबा. Clear?
yeah.
Okay. So this is all about conflict management. Let's read it from here in the notes. So
You are
please read.
sharing.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
sharing.
Conflict resolution. First one is confronting.
Yeah, read.
Confronting is
Yeah,
confronts the problem. Preferred method. So this is confronting will be like
it's basically win-win, na? That's what I was saying. Fighting.
collaboration. No, it's 1 minute. Huh? I think I got it wrong. Okay. Collaborating, improving multiple viewpoints from different perspectives, leading to consensus. That is also win-win. Collaborating also.
That is the also win-win, na?
Okay. Collaborating is also win-win. Okay.
Okay.
Collaborating. Okay. Then compromising. Require that is win-lose. Both will happen.
Yes.
Requires both the parties giving us something. Sorry, improving the multiple viewpoints from different perspective, leading to consensus. Require both parties giving up something. Decision is blend on two parties argument. Lose lose. That's a
I I,
lose lose.
I wouldn't say it is lose lose. It is basically in between lose lose and win win. So I wouldn't say
Okay.
lose lose. Okay. I used to avoid
Okay.
the fight. Na? Okay.
Okay.
Smoothing. Smoothing is like temporary solution. Please read.
Smooth is minimizing the size of problem, temporary solution. Okay. Then we have forcing. That means the manager decision is made with the power. Decision with power. Decision with power. Maybe it may not be the best solution, but the immediate solution.
Okay.
Then we have withdrawal. One party withdraws from the problem with the discussed solution. Worst conflict resolution. That is running away from the problem.
Let's read conflict. Causes of conflicts are scarce resource, scheduling priorities, personal work styles. Then how to reduce conflict, ground rules, group norm, communication planning, role definition. Okay.
One doubt. These are the different types, or it is just the
This
same only, no?
basically, this is, yes, same type. We will go through it. But this is a reasons of conflict, why the conflict occurs, and this is basically how to reduce the conflict. Clear?
Okay. Ground rules,
Group
ground
norms.
no. What is ground norms?
You have some group rules, na? Rules and regulation from the group or relationship along the way. Then communication planning, role definition. Please read this. I want you to read.
Okay. Uh, Again, your screen goes off. Can you please?
Okay.
Yeah,
This is okay now?
yeah, now I can. Conflict management, withdrawal or avoid, retreating from an actual or potential retreating from an actual or potential conflict situation, postponing the issue to be better prepared or to be resolved by others. Okay, this is just like the previous which we read, smoothing, withdrawal, etc.
Yes, yes, yes. Just like that. That is the same, na? We're just revising
Yeah,
it. Okay.
smooth or accommodate, emphasize the areas of agreement rather than the areas of difference, conceding one's position to need of others to maintain harmony and relationship. Causes of conflict, scare resources, scheduling priorities, personalized work styles.
Okay. Compromise, reconcile.
Compromise, searching for solutions that bring some degree of satisfaction to all the parties in order to temporarily or partially resolve the conflict. Force or direct, pushing the one's viewpoint at the expense of others, offering only win-lose solution. Usually enforced through a power of position or for resolving an emergency. Collaborate or problem solve. Incorporate incorporating multiple viewpoints and insights from different perspectives, requiring a cooperative attitude and an open dialogue that typically leads to consents and commitment. How to reduce conflict, team roles, group roles, communication planning, role definition. Role definition means like manage.
Yeah, we have a definition who is where, what is his responsibility. Then this is here collaboration, compromise, avoid.
What is this? Assertive, unassertive, uncooperative, cooperative.
The same thing, like we put it on the win-win on that my chart. Now, if you cooperate, like incorporate, and you are assertive, you along the way get collaboration. If you are competing only and you are not cooperating, you are basically competing or forcing. It's the same thing. You just understand what I said, and you understand this thing. Win-win situation is collaboration. Win-lose is competing or forcing. Lose-win is accommodating, compromising, avoiding. Okay, clear?
Okay, avoiding. Avoiding is lose lose, right?
Always.